The best and most charismatic speakers on any stage know the importance of using hand gestures. Hand gestures make people listen to you, and research shows that when you gesture, people pay more attention. When you move your hands to explain what you're talking about, you help your audience understand so much more. Nonverbal signals carry about 5 times more impact than what comes out of your mouth. Using your hands also helps you speak more concisely and effectively. You probably do this already in your casual speaking, but doing it to convey complex information, persuade people to your point of view, and sell your ideas, and that's another matter. When you use gestures on Zoom or any type of video conference, you're magnifying and energizing your message. In physical spaces, they go a long way to animate your delivery and display your professionalism. Here are 2 techniques to get you started. First, stay in the big box. Appropriate hand-speaking spaces from the top of your chest to your waist. If you go outside the imaginary box, it could be distracting and you may seem out of control whether you're on stage or a screen. Avoid oversized gestures. Think of your chest as the field where your hands can amplify your message. Then there's the small box. The small box is the gesture that denotes precision, certainty, command, and inspires trust. It means, I got this. This is a sure thing. I have it under control. Think of this gesture as framing your topic and bracketing or anchoring a definitive statement. The big and small box techniques work for women and men alike and established and emerging speakers. Practice these techniques and make them part of your speaker's toolbox. I'm Rosemary Ravinal. Thank you for watching.